The amount of knowledge that these students are getting from these competitions and what we're promoting is just phenomenal. You know, everything that we own, touch, or will buy, purchase in the future was once touched by machines. The equipment has gotten a lot more advanced with, software developments and computer advancements over the last 10 years. It's allowed us to do things easier and faster. So we rely on, what we're doing in the schools to build that foundation and bringing it up into manufacturing, where we're incorporating more robotics into manufacturing. So we don't have this intensive labor involved in every product we build. We're now developing more technicians and smarter people that can program the machines, the robotics, and tie it all together. Unfortunately, with the help of Gene Haas and everything they've done, we've done a lot to build up that program across our whole territory and across the whole country. We help keep the schools up to date with their equipment. We help them with their curriculum. We can be competitive in every market here in the United States.